Alright, what's up y'all? This is my first video that I did like this, but this is 2010 Christmas, and the only thing that I asked for was a new Xbox 360. Because this Xbox over there, this one, this raggedy old Xbox decided to break just in time. And I have been waiting so long for this time, so I can just get my revenge of all the pain and all the lost games that I've lost because of it. So this Xbox is going to pay. Let's watch. So I got here is a Project Slavo paintball gun. No e-grip. It just has this. So I accidentally ran out of paintballs, so I only got one with me right now, sadly. So let's go ahead. I hope I have CO2. I didn't check it. Sorry. Alright. Well, that starts off my destruction. Hold on. Ooh. Xbox wanted me to pay $100 to fix this. I'm fixing it myself. That concludes this video.